your girl Natalie. Today I will be doing this lock tutorial for you guys. I'm doing pretty much a all-in-one braided ponytail. Alright, I see a lot of loose naturals doing this style, whether or not they use their own natural hair, whether or not they add in additional hair, I don't know, but I did it with my lock. This style was very simple. I think it took about an hour. It does take a little bit of precision just based off of your parting and things like that, but once you have it up in this style, you can do a lot of different styles with it, which I will show you guys. Please stay tuned. Please hit subscribe so you can see much more. This wasn't even the video that I was trying to film. What I was trying to film was so fire, alright, but I didn't have all the tools, which were ordered, and they'll be here in 2 days. So definitely hit the subscribe button so you can be up to date with what I got coming for you guys. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into this style. So I've sectioned off my hair into 2 halves. I have this top half and then I have this bottom half. Being that I've already separated the hair, this is the top half. I'm going to take this top half and I'm going to kind of create a part. I'm not trying to have too many braids up here, but I'm trying to have enough. You know, this is half. This should be the next half going back. Okay, so it's really hard to judge it by just doing what I'm doing. So what I'm gonna do is, I know this is gonna be 2 braids, so I'm going to retwist this section, and then after I retwist that section, I'm gonna put that section into cornrows.
Okay guys, so first off, I'm pretty much visually mapping out where I want to place my braids. So I'm separating my locks. As you can see, I retwisted that section, and now I'm just going to go ahead, give it a little twist at the root just so that it stays neat. Not too much twist, trust me, because 1 or 2 braids I did have to go back and redo because we can't have these braids tight. It's not good for your hair and it's uncomfortable, period. Okay. So as you can see, I'm pretty much directing all the braids towards the center of my head. I know that the outcome of this style, I want all the cornrows to meet up and merge at that top center portion of my head. So pretty much the rest is self-explanatory. You're just going to see me sectioning out the locks and creating cornrows that all meet up at the center of my head. Okay, then after we do that, we're gonna go in and style those cornrows. So I went ahead and I retwisted the next half of my head. So at this point, I realized I'm going to do 3 more braids out of this section. So I'm doing 1 more braid going up the center of my head, and then we're going to do 2 braids similar to the ones we did on the other side. You see a lot of head bopping because I was listening to music. I don't know, what do you guys do when you're doing like long styles? This style probably took about an hour, so I was listening to music. I was actually listening to like some old school rap, like some Tupac. You know, I love me some Tupac. So yeah, what do you guys do? At this point, I was finished with the top portion of my head. I went ahead and retwisted all the locks in the back, and now I'm going to do the same exact thing I did in the front to the back. I'm going to section out my locks, and then I'm going to create cornrows facing or directed towards the center of my head. Well, yes, we have reached the last braid of the style. We all know the joys of when you reach to that last braid, that last twist, that last section of any hairstyle. It's like, thank you. Okay, it's gonna be kind of awkward doing the back of the head. As you can see, you really just have to get a comfortable kind of position. Either you might have to put your head upside down or something like that, but it is doable, as you can see. Now we're finished braiding all the locks, so we're gonna go ahead and place all the braids into a hair tie, and from here, of course, I'm gonna lay down these edges, and then we're gonna get into how we can style these braids.
As you guys saw, I tied down my hair. Well, I don't know if you guys saw, but I tied down my hair after gelling down the edges because you know your girl likes to be snatched. Come on, don't act like you don't know. And if you don't know, that means you're not subscribed. So subscribe one time, okay? So let's see how this is looking. Ooh. So this is like my braided top ponytail. I love it. Let me just organize it real quick. Hold on. Okay, this is cute. So alright, you guys, so as you can see, this is the first way to wear this style. I have all the braids up into a bun. Okay, so you can also just leave the braids down. I did not put rubber bands at the ends of my braids, but you can go ahead and do that. I legitimately don't know how long this style is staying in, so I just didn't feel like putting rubber bands in. But these are the braids down, and you can definitely just leave the braids down. Like, who's stopping you? Or you can put the braids to the side, depending on how long your locks are. And you can definitely do something like this. And on some throwback vibes, this is definitely cute.
Alright, you guys, so we have reached the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing me create this style. Please go out and try this style. That's the reason I do these videos. Please subscribe for much more. Hit the like button, comment, hit the notification bell, all those good stuff to show me that you liking what I'm giving, okay? And of course, stay healthy, stay blessed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Deuces.